So Dan, we're in the kitchen right now, and you're about to make Mama very, very happy. Right here, you've dismantled finally the camping stove.
Yeah.
This means that we're about to install the appliances that we bought a couple of weeks ago, right?
Yeah.
The hub and the stove.
Yeah.
Although the stove will be installed today, we still have a lot of electrical work to do in the house. And next week or the week after, we have an electrician coming over, and that will just fix everything for us, and the stove will be working.
Maybe.
But installing it just means that we don't have this massive box in the living room that just pretty much takes over the entire space, right?
Or the hub in the bedroom.
Or the hub in the bedroom. So Dan, you're building.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
I was out drinking, looking for the next thing. I couldn't really settle down. Always on the run, I didn't want to slow down. But baby, then you came around. Yeah, you came around. No, I won't ever let you down. I promise you that I'll hold on. I know that it gets tough sometimes, so I'm here to remind you, love. The sun will shine on you wherever you go, wherever you go. And when it gets tough,
Oh, that's great. That's it. Oh, I can cook some tasty on these.
Is it good?
It's perfect. It's absolutely perfect.
This one is 5.2. Around there.
Perfect. And then, so the counter is gonna stop kind of here.
Yeah, the concrete is coming all the way up to the bottom of this.
Yeah.
And sticking out 2 centimeters in the front.
Yeah, perfect.
So we get a total of 10 centimeters of counter space in front of the...
Perfect. So that's enough to put some little stuff, and my belly's not in the way, so I can do these and these and stir these and stir these. It's gonna be perfect.
Sometimes so I'm here to remind you, love. The sun will shine on you wherever you go. And when it gets tough, stay strong. You're never alone. You're never alone. The sun will shine.
Lots of thinking are going into this.
The sun will shine. The sun will shine. Yeah, the sun will shine. The sun will shine.
Thank you, baby. You worked really hard to give us this. Thank you so much. The camping stove is in the garden. Oh boy. I'm not gonna miss that one.